So, I just reached home, working a lot today on another funnel because I have with another partner of mine, we have another YouTube channel where we speak all about real estate. So we have one YouTube channel which is a bit more about the views, where we're showcasing the luxury side of Dubai with the premium real estate. And then on the other side we have a ID channel, investment deal. So investment deal is about all the informational part and whatsoever, so we only talk about investments and so on and so forth about Dubai. We actually get more calls booked in our calendar on the ID channel, investment deal channel, where we have one video just got like 600 views. Then we have on the real deal channel where we got on one video 26,000 views and barely leads, like let's say up to 5. Also this week we're going to shoot another video for the Real Deal channel, for the channel where we're showcasing premium luxury real estate in Dubai. This is the living room. I mean, we are top floor, top floor.
Top floor.
Penthouse.
Top floor of both towers, huh? Because 5242 has 2 towers.
You can even see the Burj Al Arab.
Yeah, you can perfectly. This is a double height staircase. This one is not.
Okay, but you have the balcony here. Very nice. Okay, Sal, we're just done with the video. What are your thoughts?
I'm thinking that with your talent and this beautiful home, it will be very hard not to find the right buyer. So I'm excited to see this online and even more excited to sell it.
Yeah, very good. Good morning in the morning. So today we're going to the office and we're going to shoot some videos right now. So I have a scheduled shooting right now with one of our channels which we have in the procurement world. I'm going to edit the video, then I'm going to publish the video. So yeah, let's go. Beautiful day, sun is shining.
Good morning.
Same to you, my friend.
So we just shot some videos here in the boardroom. And then I have another meeting with a potential client. We just need to understand somehow what's the low-hanging fruit, what's the project we could implement, and then we just need to sit down, map out the process, map out the integration which could be possible. So I just had a call or some calls with some potential clients for AI integration, because I run one YouTube channel where we get interested people, interested companies, enterprises all around the world interested in AI implementation. So it's so crazy for me. We started a YouTube channel, we talk about AI, and I built the funnel, and we get interested people, interested enterprises with a budget over 50,000 euros, which is completely crazy over YouTube. So right now I'm building out the fulfillment part where we actually can close these deals. And if you are interested to implement YouTube as a lead generation machine for your business, then you will find a link down below under this video, and then schedule a call with me, and then we can talk about how we can implement exactly this, what I'm doing day by day for other businesses, for myself as well, for my brands, to implement it for you into your company. So let's get back to work. Irgendwie sowas kurz auf Deutsch. So today I edited some videos. I had a shooting like you just saw in the beginning, in the morning, and now I'm just preparing some videos we shot over the last days for one YouTuber. Her name is Anissa, and she already has over 400,000 YouTube followers, so we're just scheduling and preparing the timeline for the following days to upload more videos. And here a very short snippet from the future, because I'm just editing the video. She was only focusing on Instagram, so now I'm responsible to build this, to put layers of content so she can actually monetize her audience. Now I'm still in the office. It's now 11 p.m. so I'm going home soon, going to eat something, and then still I will work on some funnels to get them running.